Welcome to the whimsical world of Mochi the Cat Hero. Join us on a perfectly hilarious adventure where our beloved feline protagonist, Mochi, finds himself in a magical realm after a freak accident with a Roomba. Meet Mochi, a laid-back kitty with one goal in life: snacks, naps, and sunbeams. But fate has other plans for him. A freak Roomba incident changes everything. After his untimely demise, Mochi finds himself in a glowing field, greeted by a wise, talking owl. The owl flaps its wings and perches on a nearby tree. "Welcome, Mochi! You are the chosen one of the Meowverse!" Mochi lazily stretches and yawns, uninterested. Mochi, thinking, "Chosen? I just want to sleep." Suddenly, magical armor drops onto Mochi. With new armor comes new responsibilities, or so they say, but Mochi has other priorities. Mochi walks away, bumping into a giant mushroom that explodes in sparkles. Each episode takes Mochi to a new setting, where a kingdom is in danger or a weird curse is at play. But Mochi's cat logic means he doesn't solve problems on purpose. He just stumbles into victory. Whether it's defeating a fierce dragon or unwittingly lifting a curse, Mochi's adventures are always a delightful surprise. In the climactic moments, watch out for overpowered magic as Mochi inadvertently saves the day. Mochi, surrounded by glowing magic, looks confused yet adorable. And just like that, Mochi returns to his favorite pastime: napping. Join us for more adventures filled with laughter, magic, and of course, naps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss Mochi's next adventure in the Meowverse.